Hi, and welcome to the Piper Rose White logo walkthrough. So in this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can create and save your logo as a white logo. And so we've created 3 different file types for you, one color, one black, and one white, and that's just because you may need these for different purposes. Sometimes you're sponsoring an event and they ask you for a black and white logo, and this is just how you would go about saving it for that. So in this tutorial, what we've done is we have created a file, and so that you can see what the effect would look like on a darker background, we've added the dark background. So the first thing you're going to want to do in this file is change all the elements to match what you've done in your colored logo. And if you haven't done that yet, you want to go over to your colored canvas and copy all those elements over here. So you might just be saying, well, I just want to use the white version. I don't want to use the color. In that case, then we're going to start from scratch here, and we're going to show you how you can change this to match your brand. But if you have designed one in color, what you want to do is copy that over here, just in case you've made some changes and it's not as easy as just changing the name. But if it is just that easy, like it is going to be for us, because we didn't make any changes and we wanted this to be as easy as possible, I'm just going to change the elements. And then I'm going to move everything over into place. The other one, I just moved this slightly. And then I put sales representative. We're going to drag this out and move it over just slightly. So once you've changed your name and you are happy with the way that that looks, then you are good to move on to the secondary logo. So just a few things. If you are coming over from the color tutorial, this is going to be your white logo. Now you might be thinking, why isn't the back here white? Well, that's because if we were to make it white, you would lose Sarah. So when you're doing a logo like this, you do what's called tone on tone, and we're just using a lighter version, not too light or else you can't see it. We're using a almost like a gray to represent the white. So when you are doing a logo like this, you have to have that contrast, or else it's gonna look like a big old mess. So this is what you would use if you want a white effect. Now you can go ahead and change the elements on the secondary and on the submark like we did in the first tutorial. If you need a refresher on that, you can go ahead and watch the first one. But we've explained there how you are going to change these and make it on brand for you, and how you can change the icons. So you can go ahead and watch that one if you haven't already. For the purpose of this tutorial, we just want to say that the color that we've put in the background was just for design purposes. When you are ready to download this file, you must delete the background box. As you can see, you can't see what you're designing, which is why we added this color background for you. So this is here only for the purpose of design, to make it easy. Once you're ready to download, what you're going to want to do is delete that box and then hit download, and make sure that PNG is selected so that you can have a transparent background. That's usually the format that you're going to need, but a designer might also ask you for a PDF print file or a JPEG, but you definitely want to have that PNG file, and the only way it will save with a transparent background is if you remove the background before you save. So you do that with every single one of these. You will have to remove the background if you want it to be a transparent background. If you like this color, then by all means, please save it. And that's it. When you are ready to download, you are definitely going to want a PNG file, a PDF file, and a JPEG file. JPEG only if you want to save the background color. And then you're good to go.